What do you want? What?
Hello?
What are you doing?
Emma,
Hi.
go lay down.
You better get out of here.
Yeah, I'm just shooting. Alright.
Okay, what are you doing today?
I just got a new BB gun for $14.95 or whatever, and take a look there, and you can see over there some BBs, and today I'm gonna shoot one can. I stacked 3 cans, but didn't work. Wind blew them, and today I'm gonna. That was an epic failure.
I'll shoot this one before it blows over.
Okay, and enjoy.
The can is still there. What's up? You're shooting a what now?
Dr. Pepper can, but I hit it.
I think you hit it.
I did. Oh! Skadoosh!
Okay, so it took you like 15 shots and you hit it finally?
I know. And here's one tip.
That's awesome.
Don't ever second cock it or a BB will fall out.
Okay.
You're so true. And that's my BB gun shot, so working.
Cool. What else are you gonna do? Anything cool? Do some cartwheels or something?
No. Shoot you in the leg. I'm just kidding.
Okay then.
I think we're done here.
Okay, bye.